Are you a new parent looking for room decor ideas? Well, you're in the right place. Navigating the world of parenthood can be overwhelming, but creating a comforting and stimulating environment for your little one doesn't have to be. Room decor plays a pivotal role in this. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about fostering a space that encourages growth and development. So let's delve into this together, shall we? Stay tuned as we unravel the process of room decor in easy, manageable steps. First and foremost, identify your style preference. Let's delve into the world of personal style and its role in room decor. Identifying your style preference is like discovering your own unique language of aesthetics. It's a reflection of who you are, your personality, and your tastes. This personal style will inevitably influence the choices you make when decorating a room, especially when that room is for your little one. Consider the minimalist style. It's all about simplicity and functionality. This style uses a limited color palette, clean lines, and uncluttered spaces. It is an expression of the less is more philosophy. If you lean towards this style, you're likely to enjoy a room that is free of clutter, making it a safe and serene environment for your baby. On the other hand, you might be drawn to a vibrant style. This style is characterized by bold colors, dynamic patterns, and a variety of textures. It's about creating an energetic and stimulating environment. If you're a fan of this style, you might enjoy designing a room that sparks curiosity and encourages exploration for your little one. The traditional style, meanwhile, is about comfort and classic designs. It leans towards warm colors, antique furniture, and timeless pieces. If you're of this style, you might enjoy a room that exudes a cozy and welcoming atmosphere for your baby. These are just a few examples. There are countless styles out there. You might find that your style doesn't fit neatly into one box. Perhaps you're a mix of minimalist and vibrant, or traditional with a modern twist. That's perfectly fine. The beauty of personal style is that it's personal, it's fluid, and it's uniquely yours. So take some time to explore different styles. Browse through magazines, scroll through Pinterest, or visit a local decor store. Look for patterns in what you're drawn to. This will help you identify your style preference. Remember, no right or wrong style. It's all about what makes you and your little one happy. Next, choose a theme that resonates with your style. That's the third step in our journey to create a delightful space for your little one. Selecting a theme is an exciting part of the decoration process, and it's more than just picking out cute patterns or prints. It's about creating an environment that's uplifting, stimulating, and comforting. A theme can simplify the decoration process considerably. It provides a guiding light, a North Star if you will, that can help you navigate the vast sea of choices available. It narrows down your options, making it easier to pick out decor pieces, colors, and even furniture that align with a unified aesthetic. Let's talk about some popular themes that you might want to consider. Animals, for instance, are a universal favorite. This theme brings in an element of fun, introducing your child to the wonderful world of creatures big and small. You could go for a safari adventure with lions, elephants, and giraffes, or an undersea exploration with dolphins, turtles, and fish. If you're a lover of the great outdoors, a nature-themed room could be a splendid choice. Imagine a room filled with the soft colors of a forest, with trees, birds, and flowers adorning the walls. Or perhaps a beach theme with shades of blue and sandy tones, complete with seashells and starfish. The stars and moons theme is another fantastic option, especially if you're leaning towards a more serene and restful vibe. This theme can be magical, with twinkling stars and soft glowing moons creating a peaceful night sky right in your child's room. There are countless other themes to choose from: storybook characters, vehicles, sports, and so much more. The key is to pick a theme that resonates with your style and vision for the room. Remember, this is a space where your child will grow, learn, and dream. A theme is a great way to tie all the elements together and create a cohesive look. So go ahead, choose a theme that sparks joy and let that guide you in creating a beautiful, nurturing space for your little one. Now let's talk about colors. Colors are not just for beautifying a space. They have a profound impact on our moods and even our sleep. When we're picking colors for a nursery, we want to create an environment that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also nurturing for the baby's development. Let's start with soothing colors. Think pastel blues, soft pinks, or warm neutrals. These hues promote a calming effect, ideal for bedtime or when the baby needs some quiet time. Imagine a room bathed in a gentle shade of lavender or a peaceful cream. These colors can help lull your baby into a restful sleep. And let's be honest, a well-rested baby makes for well-rested parents. On the flip side, we have stimulating colors. Bright yellows, vibrant reds, or lively greens. These colors can stimulate your baby's senses and encourage play and exploration. Picture a room with splashes of cheerful orange or lively turquoise. It's an environment that says, "Hey, let's have some fun." Remember, you don't have to stick to one or the other. A balanced mix of calming and stimulating colors can create a dynamic yet harmonious environment. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you and your little one. The right color palette can set the mood for the room, making it a peaceful and stimulating space for your baby. Furniture and storage play a crucial role in room decor. Now let's delve into the world of furniture and storage and how important they are in creating a beautiful, functional, and safe space for your little one. When selecting furniture for your baby's room, safety should be your top priority. Choose pieces that are sturdy, well-built, and free from sharp edges. Look for furniture with a smooth finish to prevent splinters. Also, consider furniture with rounded corners to reduce the risk of injury as your baby starts to explore. Functionality is another key factor to consider. Opt for furniture that can grow with your child. A convertible crib, for instance, can transform into a toddler bed, and later, a day bed. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also helps maintain a consistent look and feel in the room as your child grows. Style, of course, matters too. The furniture you choose should complement your room's theme and color scheme. But remember, style should never compromise safety or functionality. Now, let's talk storage. A baby comes with a lot of essentials. Clothes, diapers, toys, books, and more. Ample storage is crucial to keep these essentials organized and the room clutter-free. Built-in closets, shelves, and drawers are great for permanent storage. But consider also portable storage options like baskets and bins. They're not only handy for quick cleanups, but also add a touch of style to the room. Remember, storage solutions don't have to be drab. You can choose storage pieces that match your room's color scheme or theme. For example, a nautical-themed room could benefit from blue storage bins, while a woodland-themed room might look great with rustic baskets. In conclusion, furniture and storage selection is about striking a balance between safety, functionality, and style. Make thoughtful choices that cater to your baby's needs while also enhancing the room's aesthetics. Choose furniture that grows with your baby and storage that keeps the room clutter-free. Lastly, add your personal touches to make the room special. This is where the magic truly happens. Think about incorporating family photos into the decor. They can be of cherished memories, candid moments, or even your maternity photos. These pictures will not only add a warm touch, but also tell a story, your family's story. Consider adding the baby's initials or name in creative ways. Maybe spell it out with wooden blocks on a shelf or hang a monogrammed banner. It's a fun way to make the room uniquely theirs. And of course, handmade items carry a special charm. If you knit, crochet, or craft, consider making a piece for the room. It could be a soft blanket, a cute stuffed toy, or a whimsical mobile. These handmade items will add a unique, loving touch that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Remember, it's these personal touches that can make the room feel more intimate and special. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed today. We embarked on a journey of self-discovery, understanding your unique style and how it can translate into your baby's new room. From minimalist chic to vibrant boho, your style is the first step towards creating a welcoming space for your little one. Next, we dove into the world of themes, exploring everything from whimsical woodland creatures to soothing oceanic vibes. Selecting a theme that resonates with you and your baby will set the mood for the room. Color choices, often the most fun yet challenging part of room decor, came next. We explored how different hues can influence mood and create a harmonious space. We also touched on furniture and storage selection, emphasizing the importance of functionality without compromising on style. Finally, we discussed the joy of adding personal touches. These unique additions bring the room to life, making it truly your baby's. Remember, the most important thing is to create a space where you and your baby feel comfortable and happy. Happy decorating. In the spirit of creating and sharing, we'd like to invite you to be a part of our YouTube community. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. This not only supports our channel, but also helps us reach more new parents like you. Furthermore, if you know someone who's also expecting and could use some nursery decor tips, feel free to share this video with them. Every share means a lot to us. We always have more exciting and informative home decor videos coming your way, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. And lastly, we'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you'd like to share your own nursery decor experiences, please leave a comment below. We love engaging with our viewers, and your input helps us improve and grow as a community. Remember, every nursery tells a story, and we're here to help you tell yours. Until next time, happy decorating. P.